Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the calculation of mode for individual observations. Let us take an example here. So we are supposed to calculate mode from the following observations. So x values are given. By this it is clear that individual observation, this is case number 1. So 10, 15, 17, 15, 23, 27, 15, 26, 17, 90 and 85. So these are the individual observations are given. From this we have to calculate mode. There is second example also given. I'll explain it later. First let us solve example number 1. So let me write down the x values as it is. 10, 15, 17, 15, 23, 27, 15, 26, 17, 90, 85. So these are the x values given. Now I have to calculate mode. So when I was explaining the chart in my previous video, I have given the entire formula for calculating mean, median as well as mode for all the three cases, that is individual observation, discrete series as well as continuous series. So in that I have given mode can be calculated just by observing. So now we have to observe the given values. After observations we have to find which number is repeated and how many times. Now let us observe. First check the value 10. So 10 is not repeated. Okay, 10 is only 1. Now find out the next number 15. 15 is repeated how many times? So 1, 2, 3. So 15 is repeated 3 times. Now let us check the next number 17. So 17 is repeated once and twice. So 17 is repeated twice. Now check for any other number 23. So 23 is not repeated. 27 is also not repeated. 26 is also not repeated. 90 is again not repeated and 85 is also not repeated. So by observation I got two values, that is 15 is repeated 3 times and 17 is repeated 2 times. Therefore mode is equal to, so mode for case number 1 can be calculated just by observation. So the number which is repeated maximum number of times gives the value of mode. So which number is repeated maximum number of times? There are two numbers 15 and 17. 15 is repeated 3 times, 17 is repeated twice, that is 2 times. Therefore mode is equal to 15. So this is the only thing you have to do for calculation of mode for case number 1. Okay. So first we have to check which numbers are repeated, write down the numbers which are repeated how many times, then find out that number which is repeated maximum number of times. So since 15 in our case 15 and 17 are repeated, 15 is repeated 3 times and 17 is repeated only 2 times. So therefore mode is equal to 15. So this is very simple calculation. Now let us take one more example. Now you may get a question, what if the number is not repeated? So that is what I am taking example number 2. So if the number is not repeated even twice or thrice, or not even single number is repeated, there is one method or formula for calculating mode which I am going to explain now. Let me write the x values first. 8, 12, 18, 21, 42, 23, 24, 11, 10, 14. So these are the x values given from which we have to calculate mode. So in my previous example, I told that the number which is repeated maximum number of times gives the value of mode. Now you can observe in this question. So let me check first which number is repeated. First check the number 8 and find out. So 8 is not repeated, it is only once. 12 is also not repeated. 18 is also not repeated. 21 is also not repeated. 42 is also not repeated. 23 is also not repeated. 24 is also not repeated. 11, 10, 14. So not even single number is repeated. So when such situation is given, then we have a formula for calculating mode. So mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. So this is the formula we have to use for calculating mode whenever the numbers are not repeated. If the number is repeated, that number which is repeated maximum number of times gives the value of mode. If the number is not repeated, then we have to use the formula mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. So that means first we have to find out the median value as well as mean value. Now let us first calculate mean value. So mean x bar, we know the formula for calculating case 1, mean x bar is equal to summation x divided by n. So mean is calculated by using the formula x bar is equal to, mean is represented by x bar is equal to summation x divided by n. N is small n here because this is case number 1. Now add all these values, you will get summation x. So 8 plus 12 plus 18 plus 21 plus 42 plus 23 plus 24 plus 11 plus 10 plus 14. So the total comes up to 183. Summation x value is adding all the x values. So that is 183 divided by n. Small n is number of observations. How many observations are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here n is equal to 10. Therefore, x bar mean is equal to 183 divided by 10 is 18.3. This is the value of mean. Now, for calculating mode, we need 3 times median minus 2 times mean. I already got the mean value. Next calculation is median. Now we have to calculate median. So we know that median can be calculated for case number 1 by arranging the data. My first step is, first we have to arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order. Any order you can arrange. It is not mandate to arrange only every time in ascending order or descending order. You can arrange either in ascending order or descending order. So I am arranging the data in ascending order. So arrange the data in ascending order. This is mandatory. Without arranging, you will not get the exact value of median. So it is mandate that we have to first arrange the data. So I am arranging the data in ascending order. So my first value becomes 8. Next small value is 10, 11, then 12, then 14, 18, 21, 23, 24 and 42. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I have 10 values. So my first step for calculating median is, we have to arrange the data in either ascending order or descending order. In this case, I have arranged in ascending order. That is from smaller number to bigger number. Now after arranging, I have to check for the series, whether it is an odd series or even series. So from the mean calculation, we came to know that n is 10. So here n is equal to 10 because the number of values given is, or number of individual observations given are 10, is an even series. So here n is equal to 10 is an even series. So if it is even series, how to find out median? We have to use n by 2. Median can be calculated by using the formula n by 2. So n is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. That means fifth value from the left hand side as well as right hand side after arranging the data gives the value of median. So which is the fifth value? First I am counting from the left hand side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18. 18 is the fifth value. So fifth value in the series gives the value of median. Since it is even series, we have to use the formula n by 2. N is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So fifth value in the given in the series gives the value of median. Now we have to count it from both the sides, left hand side and right hand side. From the left hand side, my fifth value is 18, and from the right hand side, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14. So it is between 14 and 18. So the fifth value lies between 14 and 18. Then how to decide? Therefore, median is equal to 14 plus 18 divided by 2. So that is 32 divided by 2 is 16. Therefore, median is equal to 16. So median should be calculated in this way. First we have to arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order. Then check for the series whether it is an odd series or even series. If it is odd series, use the formula n plus 1 by 2. If it is an even series, use the formula n by 2. Then the value whatever you get after calculating n by 2, from there check the value which gives the value of median. Now for calculating mode, I've got median as well as mean. So now directly I can calculate mode. Therefore, mode is equal to, I'm writing the formula once again, 3 times median minus 2 times mean. So that is 3 times, what is the median value we have got just now? 16 minus 2 times mean value I got. What is the mean value I've got it? 18.3. So my mean value is 18.3. Now substitute in the formula 18.3. So that is 3 into 16 is 48 minus 2 into 18.3 is 36.6. Therefore, mode is equal to 48 minus 36.6 is 11.4. So this is the mode value. So this is how mode should be calculated for case number 1, that is individual observation. So I have explained this by taking two different examples. In first case, we have not used any formula because by observation, first we have to observe which number is repeated how many times. So in my first example case, 15 is repeated 3 times and 17 is repeated twice. So the number which is repeated maximum number of times gives the value of mode. So in my case 15 is repeated 3 times, so I have written mode is equal to 15. But in my second example, the number was not repeated, not even single number was repeated. Then I have to use the formula mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. So to find out mode in this case, first we have to calculate mean, then median. So mean should be calculated by using the formula x bar is equal to summation x by n. Add all the x values, divide by the number of values given. So in this case 10 values are given. So 183 divided by 10 is 18.3. This is the mean value. Then after finding out mean, we have to calculate median. So to do that, first we have to arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order. In my example, I've arranged the data in ascending order. So after arrangement, this is the x values I have got. Then after arranging, check for the series, whether it is an odd series or even series. If it is odd series, use the formula n plus 1 by 2. If it is even series, use the formula n by 2. So after using n by 2, n value is 10, 10 by 2 is 5. That means fifth value in the series gives the value of median. So fifth value from which hand? Both the left hand side and right hand side. From the left hand side I got 18 and from the right hand side I got 14. So the median lies between 14 and 18. So therefore to find out the exact location of the median, I've used 14 plus 18 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So I got median as 16. Now after finding out the value of mean and median, substitute those values in the mode formula to find out mode. So mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. 3 times median I have got 16, mean value I got 18.3. So after calculation I got mode is equal to 11.4. So this is the calculation part of mode for case number 1, that is individual observations. It is very simple to calculate. If the numbers are repeated, directly by observation you can do it. If the numbers are not repeated, then use the formula mode is equal to 3 times median minus 2 times mean. Hope you understood the problem. So if you understand, kindly like and share these videos among your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you have any doubts, kindly comment. Thank you for watching.